Hello and welcome back to Toplydale, where today we're introducing a new kit from PJM Models, which is a perfect expansion for the GB rail freight depot buildings we've already done. Now this is probably the most exciting flat sheet of 2mm MDF you're probably ever going to buy. Now the reason it's exciting is this is a hard standing kit which has been designed to fit underneath the GB rail freight depots, and it's got the concrete panel lines on the front side. It's all broken down into the right size pieces for it as well, but more importantly on the rear face everything's engraved so it sits perfectly over the edge of the sleepers and over the edge of the rail chairs, so you can put it up really neatly to both code 75 and code 100 flexible track. Now I've been testing the installation of this new kit right here on Toplydale. I've taken away the original hard standing that I built from flat sheets of 2mm MDF. Now the problem they created was that when you stack two sheets of MDF, 2mm MDF exactly on top of each other, they come up marginally too high and sit just above the height of the railhead. Now this new kit from PJM Models allows these parts to slot right up to the edge of the rail, so that the railhead is exposed just above the height of the concrete hard standing. They're really simple to install. They come with all the parts you need in the pack to actually install them as well. So what I start off by doing is laying the parts out first, test fitting them into the area where they're going to go. Clean them all up with a file, then I take them all away once I'm happy with the fit of them, and I give them all a paint colour. So being MDF, you need to paint both sides as well. So I use a Pro Coat grey primer, which is available from Toolstation, and give it a coat on the back. Turn all the panels over once that first coat's dried. Same colour on the top face as well, which is the one you actually see when it's installed on the layout. And then to give it a little bit of interest and adjustment in terms of its appearance and colour, I drift in a coat of Ford Dove Grey from above, just to give a little bit of different tone across the concrete hard standing. Now once that painting process is complete, you're ready to actually install this onto your layout. Now the important thing is these kits come with a set of supporting beams which you can put underneath the main pieces of the hard standing, so the main outer sections and the inner section as well. You can glue those down to your baseboard with super glue, and they provide the correct level of support to hold each of the main panels at the right height to fit against your rails. Now once you've got those supporting strips glued down, you can bring in your concrete panels that you've now painted, and you can fit them in place using super glue again to bond them in place to those support strips. Now the most important thing is just to make sure you do line it up correctly as it goes together. Like I said, these have been engraved and designed so they do fit perfectly with the code 75 or code 100 railhead sitting slightly above the height of the concrete panels. Once you've got all those in place, you can add the centre strips in between the rails as well, and they're all designed so that all the bars align all the way along with the engraving for the concrete sections. And finally, for a little finishing touch, they also come with curbstones as well, which you can paint and then add around the outside of the hard standing. So now these are really simple kits to use, and they've been designed to fit exactly the size of the GB rail freight depots. So if you buy one of these, it'll fit underneath one GB rail freight length depot. If you buy two, then it's perfect if you're extending your GB rail freight depot to be both the option A and the option B kits joined together. Now the hard standing kits, they cost £12.99 per pack, and they're available in stock now on the Key Model World shop and through the Key Publishing shop. And if you're looking for a little extra detail for your depot interior, as you can see here, we've got a few extra products available from Rusty Rails Modelling in a special discounted bundle pack. So in that pack you get a set of 4 lifting jack supports, you get the pallet truck here, and you get a set of lockers which are actually designed on the lockers that are found inside the GB rail freight depot. Plus you also get a set of light shells as well, floodlight shells, which you can add to the outside of the depot if you wish as well. So that bundle from Rusty Rails Modelling is also available on the Key Model World shop, together with the hard standing and of course the GB rail freight depots. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy building the kits.